Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily adjust the collision avoidance sensitivity in your ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge. Here we are now, as you can see, in our application, and the first thing that we need to do is to tap this gear icon. Now we need to scroll down till we see here the Reactive Obstacle Avoidance. Tap it, Tapless Collision Mode, and here I actually prefer the sensitive because it cleans everything, but without this, corners like around the table sets, furniture legs, corners of the room, something like that. But we do have three options: none, balanced, which intelligently adjusts the way it cleans around obstacles, and sensitive, as I said. It misses some spots, but you can clean it by yourself. Goodbye.